Hi, I'm Brian Westover with PC Mag. We're here at CES in Las Vegas, and we're meeting right now with Lenovo. They're showing off Magic Bay. You might have seen this last year. Magic Bay is an accessory line that snaps on magnetically right onto the laptop with this special connector. And right now they're showing off the Lenovo ThinkBook Magic Bay Studio, which is a 4K webcam, but it's got a couple other tricks up its sleeves, namely speaker 1, speaker 2. It has extra speakers that you snap on, and it adds 2 speakers to the 4 speakers already in the laptop, going from 4 to 6, giving you a bigger, more immersive soundscape. So it's magnetic built in, the hardware is all self-contained. You've got these little pogo pins that connect up to these little connectors right here, and magnets guide it right into place, and you're done. But this isn't the only thing that Lenovo's doing with Magic Bay. They're trying out a ton of new stuff. They showed us prototypes of an add-on 10-inch screen that gives you an additional display up top. There's another of an SSD that snaps right on, very unobtrusive, but it gives you up to 2 terabytes of storage. You can pull it off, slip it in your pocket when you need to. You can switch it between systems if you have more than one of these in your IT fleet at work. Super handy, super practical. But practical isn't the only thing Magic Bay is doing this year. They showed some wild proof of concept designs, including things like an aroma diffuser. So you can smell up your office with something sweet. There's a little snap-on fan. You can get a little breeze going and improve the comfort of your workspace. There's even a mirror with a little ring light. Lots of really cool ideas. Lenovo's really expanding the ecosystem of this unique peripheral, and we're excited to see where it goes. For more on this and all the other wacky and weird things we see at CES, stay tuned here at PC Mag.